and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about my camera cars and how I made them. A lot of model railroaders use already camera cars on top of flat cars. You know, you can buy these little digital cameras and place them on a flat car and to just have a basic front view of the tracks. Now I like to do things a little bit different. Some time ago a little digital camera of mine broke and I decided to take it apart to fix it, and that have given me quite few ideas. So let me show you what I done. So this is the first setup I got here. I have the camera here attached to the side with a nice front view. The electronic part is in the inside here. The battery and the electronics. And here we got another one with a camera in front here. The electronic bit with the battery is in here. Looking to the front of the trucks from fairly high up. And I also got a second camera here looking out onto the side. The electronic parts and the accu are here. And this is the last one. It's leftovers from a gondola I kit bashed. What's unique about it is that the camera is down here and it's looking towards the front of the running gear. Gives you a nice bottom view while the train is running. Of course, because the camera is down there, it doesn't get much light, so I had to add LED lights to it. Like that. So that's basically it. That's how my camera cars are set up. Like I said, the cameras are just located in somewhat unusual position. I'm going to make another camera car and I will show you how I take the camera apart and how I fit the camera to the car. Just, you know, if you want to do this same thing yourself. Yeah, okay, but before I start, let me just show you a short sample video. Very short one. So, this is the camera I'll be using. I always gotten very good results with this one. Mini F9 DVR. For my purpose I need to disassemble it. Start with the front, just twist it off, and the back. Back here you have the charging port, SD card, setting, photo or video. Set on video and the high quality setting. Okay, we need to take a screwdriver now. The whole thing slides out like that. There you have it. here we got the battery. That lifts out just like that. We need to put back in again later. Little screws there again. Need to move that circuit board. With the switches, what I do is I set them on video and high quality, then I take them out. Just make sure again. And if you don't want to use the switches, do what I do, pull these little plastic things off. Little bit of glue so you don't accidentally move them. To your microphone. And that little thing, small little motor that vibrates. And it pops out like that. Now you do want to be very careful when you handle this, not to pull out that cable. If you do, lift out that little plastic piece, slide back in again and clip the plastic piece back in again. Okay? Just be careful, you know. It doesn't really slip that easily out, just don't pull on it like crazy. Right, that's the entire assembly. I'm going to use this mock-up car for it, made out of leftovers, trash. Fitted LED lights to it, batteries for the lights up there, the light switch. Okay. I want to fit the camera in front here and the circuit board here then. Just something like that now. Remember, where the cable is the top of the camera, so you don't have it upside down. Good. Oh, and that's basically it. I used some hot glue. It's the easiest way of attaching everything. Camera's mounted on front. Everything in its place. Got the on and off switch here. The record switch. Mini USB. SD card. Everything is there. Alright, and that is how it looks like now. That's basically how it's done.